AVV Nation, all of YouTube, what's going on? It's Patrick with VectorVest, and I am proud to officially invite you all to our second annual Trading for Charity event. Last year, we were able to raise over $4,000 for Levine Children's Hospital, and this year, I'm sure we can far exceed that. So, starting off on October 25th at noon Eastern on the VectorVest YouTube channel, which you can find the web address right above me, I will be going live every Tuesday and Friday at noon Eastern once again to do some live trading and help bring awareness to the amazing cause that is Levine Children's Hospital. So tell all your friends, tell all your family, because we're going to be doing some awesome giveaways for everybody out there that you won't want to miss out on. And also we're going to be changing things up a little bit and setting some milestones to help keep the VV Nation community motivated to help us raise as much money as possible for Levine Children's Hospital. So come and join me once again every Tuesday and Friday starting off on October 25th at noon Eastern over on the VectorVest YouTube channel as we do some live trading, help you become financially independent through the use of the stock market, and also help make this holiday season brighter for the kids at Levine. So I look forward to seeing you guys all there.